We're at Megunticook Campground.
My body is
It has trees and a pool, craft beer, and an observation deck of the ocean. We're not on the ocean tonight, but it's better than Walmart. Might not be as good as Libby's, but I do like the trees and shade. Has a Ontario feel to it. But like we said, as long as the girls are happy, we're happy.
And what are you doing now? What are you doing now?
Right now, we're going to put our first sticker on the back of the RV. Who wants to stick it on?
Why are we putting stickers on the RV?
So that we have the memories of all the places we've been, except we don't have half the states we went to, so it's just going to be random.
And
wherever has cool stickers, that's who gets to be on the back of our
So-
Maine now.
We're circling. Our first bumper sticker.
Our first bumper sticker.
Yay, that's exciting.
I love New York. I love New York.
Yay.
I love New York. I love New York.
Okay, so we're at this campground that's got a pool and apparently a observation deck of the ocean, so we're going to check that out later. But it's so nice to be in the water. I'm loving it. Are you loving it, girls? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they are. Yeah, this is great though. Never thought I'd be at a campground with a pool, but here I am. And it's lovely.
RV life.
Yeah, not so bad.
I want gnocchi, please.
You want gnocchi?
Please.
Okay. So Ivy and I went to try and nap her because she's on day 7 of no naps. Will not nap in the car. Won't nap in the RV. She at least sleeps in it at night. But regardless of what I try, she just doesn't want to miss out. She's got the fear of missing out. FOMO, as they call it these days. So I thought I'd take her for a little hike in the carrier to see if that would work like it used to in the olden days. And did it work, Ivy?
No.
No? Are you napping today?
No.
No? Are you going to go to bed early?
No. No.
In the RV? Yeah. So, yeah, naps aren't happening anymore, I guess.
I want to go back to my RV.
Yeah, we're going to go back to your RV.
No.
So Mike's buckling the girls in and we're about to hit the road again. We're at Megunticook Campground right now and we're leaving to get to Acadia National Park. And I have Bar Harbor plugged into the GPS right now, so that's where we're headed and we'll see what happens from there.